If you have a dark rum and a dry vermouth, you can make a Black Devil No. 2. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a Black Devil No. 2. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. Note that there are timestamps down below if you want to go right to the recipe. Otherwise, here's me talking. The Black Devil No. 2 is a variant of the Black Devil cocktail that uses a dark rum instead of a white rum. Does it really need its own name, Black Devil No. 2 versus Black Devil No. 1? You may know that I think that cocktail names are a mess. Some cocktails get a new name simply by changing the proportions of the exact same ingredients. So, if we're changing from a white rum to a dark rum, I think a name change is justified, or at least a variant, No. 2. A note on the rum. A Black Devil No. 2 requires a dark rum. And some of the recipes I looked online said, darker is better. Get the darkest rum you can. I think you should get the best tasting dark rum rather than the darkest dark rum. But I had some black rum, I had some Goslings Black Seal, and I thought I'd try this cocktail, and it worked brilliantly. In any case, find a dark rum that you like in this cocktail, and when you do, let me know what it is down in the comments down below. This is a stirred drink, so we're going to stir it. And I'm going to start by adding 2 ounces of my black rum into my stirring glass. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Half an ounce, or 15 milliliters, of your dry vermouth. Add your ice. That one too. And give it a stir. Then I'm going to strain it into my cocktail glass, my Martini glass. That is a beautiful color. And your garnish. Black olives. I've got 3. Use 1 or 3, never 2. I don't know why never 2. It's just kind of a rule. I'm using 3 because I like olives. And there you have it. Black Devil No. 2. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Does it deserve its own name, Black Devil No. 2, or is it just a bog standard Black Devil that uses a dark rum instead of a white rum? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Note that there are ways to support the channel. If you made it this far, you might as well give me a like and subscribe. Also, if you want a t-shirt, we can make sure you get one. There are social media links down below. DM me through those social media links, and while you're there, follow me on those. DM me and we can make sure you get a shirt. Cheers.